Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll be showing how you can make money with crypto arbitrage just by buying crypto at a lower price and selling it at a higher price. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Wale Lukmamotayo. On this channel I share videos on how you can make money online with your smartphone, and it is completely free. If that is what you are looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos. So let's continue. What is crypto arbitrage? Arbitrage is simply buying cryptocurrency at a lower price from a site and reselling it at a higher price on another site. So we'll be using two different sites today, which is Binance and Cephas.com. And although you already know about Binance, so I won't be talking about that one much. So Cephas is a another exchange cryptocurrency site where you buy crypto, sell and invest crypto. So we will be buying from Binance and we will be selling it on Cephas.com. So let's continue. The price will be using Bitcoin as a case study here, although you can use any coins that you can find on Binance, that you can also find on Cephas as a case study to do the crypto arbitrage. So we'll be using BTC because BTC is lower on Binance and is high on Cephas. So let me log into my account. So I'm inside my Cephas account. So these are the coins available: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and also I'll go to my Binance account. So let's check the price of BTC. Price of one BTC on Binance is 29,908. So let's check the one on Cephas. So let's look for swap. So keep so one BTC convert it to USDT. We have $33,497. So let's go to our calculator. Okay, 33,400 and was it $497. So let me make my $497. So minus the one on Binance, which is 29,900. So it will be giving us $3,597. That will be our profit. So let me walk you step by step how you can do it from anywhere you are. First, you have to get your BTC ready in your Binance account. You have to buy from Binance account. So because I'm in Nigeria, my currency is showing Naira. So let's continue with Naira. So you deposit Naira. So click on deposit. You can deposit with your bank transfer. Just you transfer Naira to them, so they will credit your account with the same amount you transfer. So let it load up. So you deposit your Naira account either with bank transfer or e-wallet. So you click on continue. So after, let's say for example, we are going to be depositing $100. We'll be working our case study today. Our case study today will be $100. So let $100. We are to get $100 BTC. So let's calculate our $100 BTC. Okay, as you can see up here, visit BTC slash USDT. So we have 100 USDT and our BTC is 0.0034. So let's copy it and go to cephas.com to check the value of 0.0034. So okay, I will paste it here. That is $111.81. So the profit here is over $11. So let's go back to Binance. For now, we already have our $100 worth of BTC. All we have to do is to transfer it from Binance to Cephas.com. So by getting our withdraw our deposit, oh, hold on. So we get our BTC withdraw receiving um link address by clicking this deposit here, and so we choose BTC, and then we get show, click show address, let it load up. Then we have our address ready. This is our address. Then we copy and paste it on Binance to send the BTC over here. So after that, we go to swap to swap it from BTC, because we'll be receiving the same BTC, which is 0. We'll be receiving the same BTC, which is 0.00334, and here it will be 111 USDT. So after we swap it, then we can now send it back to our USDT address on Binance. Then you can sell it on Binance. You can keep repeating it. The more profit you get, you add it together and you keep repeating it. So there's no limit to what you can do on it. So you can keep doing it. So the capital you invest, the more profit you can get. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.